Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build sales strategies with Stripe step by step clearly. To build effective sales strategies with Stripe, start by defining your business goals. Identify your target audience to understand their needs and preferences. Research your competitors to see what strategies they are using with Stripe. Set up your Stripe account if you haven't done so already. Integrate Stripe into your website or application to streamline payment processing. Create a pricing model that reflects the value of your products or services. Offer multiple payment options to cater to different customer preferences. Utilize Stripe's analytics tools to track and analyze your sales data. Segment your audience based on purchasing behavior for targeted marketing campaigns. Develop promotions or discounts to incentivize first-time buyers. Incorporate customer feedback to adjust your strategies as needed. Test different approaches and measure their effectiveness to find what works best. Continuously refine your strategies based on data and customer interactions. Train your sales team on how to use Stripe features effectively to enhance customer experience. Implement a customer relationship management system to keep track of client interactions. Develop a strong follow-up strategy to engage customers post-purchase. Utilize email marketing to nurture leads and promote repeat purchases. Make sure your checkout process is optimized for user experience to minimize cart abandonment. Leverage social media and content marketing to drive traffic to your Stripe-powered sales platform. Analyze the results of your sales strategy. Stay updated on new features and tools offered by Stripe to enhance your sales process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.